Hey guys, today I want to show you how to use TinyBio to make your Deseq analysis go much faster and much more efficiently. So today we're using the enterprise version, which is hooked up to the environment. And so here what we can do is we can say, hey, TinyBio, can you take a look at the Deseq2 analysis.r file in sandbox slash new and tell me how it works. So right now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be reading the file to the right and we're going to be analyzing this. Now I'm showing a system where we are where we have access to the compute environment in which this Deseq analysis is being run. But you can obviously also copy and paste your Deseq code into TinyBio, and it will also tell you this similar information, but obviously it's much easier when it's connected on the environment. So it looks like this is done here, and this is all printed out. Okay. So now, let's say that we want to upgrade our Deseq analysis and we want to add pathway analysis. So we can say, hey, can you add pathway or peg pathway analysis to this? And so what TinyBio will do now is that it will look at the script and it will provide a corresponding script, edits to the script to actually get this done. You'll see that the code makes a ton of sense. It takes in the result from the differential analysis and then converts the gene symbols to entrees and then performs the actual enrichment analysis. So what we can do here is that we can actually select this script here and paste this in. Okay, so here the only thing that we need to change is here from type symbol, because I believe we are using ensemble. Okay, so now let's run this. Oh, oops. Results. Didn't copy correctly. Okay. And this is okay. Set that maps. Keg enrichment has been done. Looks like we got a bunch of keg enrichment here. Now we will save it out there. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to open that analysis and take a look at it. Okay, so looks like we got it here. Okay, good. So what's interesting about TinyBio is that because the enterprise version is hooked up to the results, you can actually ask the interface to do some of the interpretation for us as well. So what we can do is we can say, hey, can you tell me what the most differentially expressed pathway was based on the information. And so again, in here, what's going to happen, and again, this is just for enterprise customers where you can read in the analysis. Alternatively, if you're just using the web interface, you can paste this information in. But what's happening now is that TinyBio is executing a set of shell commands to actually get the information out from here. And so what we want to be doing here, right, is with large language models is take analysis like this that might have taken you a couple of a fair amount of time to kind of write up and do, and just do it based on have large language models do the analysis for you. That's really the future that we're envisioning with TinyBio and getting a lot of this information out for you guys quickly. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.